Hi guys, if you are not sure whether your iPad has cellular support or is just a Wi-Fi model, there are a few easy ways in order to check it. So first of all, the fastest way to identify the cellular iPad is by checking the sides of the devices for the SIM tray. So most of the cellular models include either a nano SIM tray or they support for eSIM. So Wi-Fi only models usually don't have the physical SIM slot at all. On the newer iPads, the tray is often located on the side or the lower edge of the device. Now, after checking it, you can also open the settings of your iPad. Over here, you need to look left to the left menu, and then if your iPad supports the cellular option, you should see the cellular data option inside it. So if these option is available, it means that your iPad is cellular, but if the option is missing, it means that your device is most likely a Wi-Fi only model. Now you can also check it by going to your iPad settings. For that, you just have to come here inside the settings, then look for the option of general. Inside the general, tap on the option of about. Now you need to look for the model number, and you can also search that model number on the Apple's official website in order to confirm whether it supports cellular connectivity. Some of the iPads have both Wi-Fi and the cellular versions with very similar names, so the model number is the most accurate method that can basically help you to identify whether your iPad has cellular support or not. So I hope this helps. Thank you.